What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the ProstaVive before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the ProstaVive works. What is ProstaVive? ProstaVive is an advanced, plant-based supplement crafted to promote healthy prostate size, urinary comfort, and overall male vitality. Made in the USA under FDA-approved and GMP-certified facilities, it meets the highest standards of purity, safety, and potency. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, soy-free, stimulant-free, and contains no harsh chemicals, making it a great option for those seeking a natural and gentle approach to prostate care. Men choose ProstaVive not only for relief from frequent urination and discomfort, but also for its ability to improve energy, mood, and hormonal balance. By supporting healthy blood flow and reducing inflammation in the prostate region, it helps you reclaim control, sleep better, and feel more confident in your daily life. Thousands of men report real results, and with an average rating of 4.8 out of 5, ProstaVive has become one of the most trusted names in natural prostate support. How does ProstaVive work? ProstaVive targets the root causes of prostate discomfort, not just the symptoms. Over time, hormonal imbalances, inflammation, and reduced circulation can cause the prostate to enlarge, leading to pressure on the bladder and urethra. ProstaVive's formula works on multiple levels to address these problems naturally. Improves circulation, enhances oxygen and nutrient delivery to prostate tissue, keeping it healthy and active. Reduces inflammation, soothes swelling and irritation, helping to relieve pressure on the urinary tract. Balances hormones, supports optimal testosterone levels while reducing excess DHT, which is often linked to prostate enlargement. Promotes better urinary flow, helps ease dribbling, urgency, and incomplete emptying. Supports restful sleep, with fewer nighttime bathroom trips, you wake up feeling refreshed and balanced. By addressing hormonal and cellular health simultaneously, ProstaVive supports long-term prostate wellness and improves overall male function, including stamina, mood, and energy. Key ingredients in ProstaVive. Each ingredient in ProstaVive was chosen for its proven benefits in male health and prostate support. Together, they create a synergistic formula that promotes comfort, balance, and resilience. Boron, a crucial mineral for testosterone production and prostate function. It also supports cognitive clarity, bone strength, and hormone balance. Tongkat-Ali. Known as nature's vitality booster, Tongkat-Ali enhances male hormones, supports libido, and helps reduce stress levels that can impact prostate health. Ashwagandha, a calming adaptogen that promotes hormonal stability, stress relief, and physical endurance. It helps keep testosterone levels steady while supporting mood and focus. Fenugreek supports healthy testosterone levels and blood sugar control, helping maintain consistent energy, stamina, and strength. Panax ginseng, a traditional energy tonic with strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. It supports the immune system, brain health, and overall vitality. Maca root, a Peruvian superfood that enhances mood, libido, and endurance. It's known for improving performance and reducing fatigue. Artichoke extract supports detoxification, liver function, and antioxidant protection, helping to reduce inflammation that can affect prostate and urinary health. Nettle root, well studied for its benefits against benign prostatic hyperplasia. It supports smooth urinary flow and helps minimize swelling in the prostate area. Benefits of ProstaVive. Men who take ProstaVive consistently report noticeable improvements in both their physical and emotional well-being. Reduced nighttime bathroom trips. Easier, stronger urine flow. Relief from discomfort or burning. Improved hormonal balance and energy. Sharper focus, better sleep, and more confidence. Enhanced vitality and mood.